Hey there! So, for this week, it's time to dig out your pink lip gloss and sparkly eyeshadow because it's Barbie time. As of filming this, the Barbie movie has just come out today, and I'm making a little outfit for when we go to see it. So, I've got so much pink gingham, and I have this fabric that has little flowers on it. I'm not making like a one-for-one Barbie look. Kind of just going inspiration, you know? My thought is to make like a 1950s bathing suit, you know, in honor of like the older Barbies all coming in bathing suits, and then you buy their clothes. I have a pattern. I also have a pattern for a shirt for my husband that I do not think I will be showing you any of the process of making that because I don't want to. So let's get to it. I know this just looks like a mess of fabric at the moment, but I am reining in my chaotic sewing nature and pinning my pieces together so I know what goes where. This is new for me. I'm a little scared of this, but it should be fine. All right, so I've gotten all my pieces put together. I still haven't sewn up the back two panels because I need to add a zipper, and I don't like fiddling with a zipper when there's a bit of a seam. So not going to worry about that for now. What I do have to worry about is this. That's like 2 inches too much in the front. So I'm going to chop that off and then add a bit of a ruffle. I have some fabric that I'm going to use for Rick's shirt. And hi, hello. I think I will be showing you me making that because this is actually going on pretty easily. Yeah, so let's chop off some fabric, make some ruffles, put on a bow, add a zipper. Maybe I'll make a bow. I'll make a little fabric headband for me. Oh, that'll be so cute. Okay, let's cut. I made a shirt for my husband. It's all done. This pattern was pretty easy to follow, which was good for me because I was so nervous about making a shirt for not myself. I feel like I understand how my body is shaped and stuff, so to try and make something for someone else was fun. And it was actually pretty fun. I'm happy with how this came out. I think next time I try to make my husband a shirt, I'll follow the pattern's instructions and go with a knitted material instead of just a cotton. But yeah, it's done. I'm happy. I kind of sped right through making some shorts for myself. They're atrocious, and that's okay. They're not going to be visible. I don't need them to be seen too much, you know? It's just there for my modesty, I think. Yeah, and now it's time to make some fun stuff. I'm thinking a little heart-shaped bag. I already made a scrunchie because that was just a tube and elastic. That was fun. And yeah, so I'm gonna make a little bag and something for Amadeus because he's so sweet and he deserves it. All right, let's get to this. Okay, hello. How to make a heart-shaped bag. I don't know. I am fucking around and finding out. So I guess I'll do like, make sure the top's there, a little point there. I think that'll get me a good heart shape. Yeah, okay. So I don't think I can cut that tip out, so I'll just go extend that down, make like a tab, right? That makes sense. That way that can just fold together. That'll all be clipped. So cut 2 on fold. I'm all done. I sewed an awful lot more than I had thought I could actually get done. It all turned out well. I'm very happy with everything. The shorts, they're serviceable. I don't need them to look cute. I don't need them to be a statement on their own. If I really want pink gingham shorts, I can do that later. And make sure I have my front-facing placket put on a front panel and not the back panel. So they button backwards. It's fine. I'm very happy with how this came out. I think that's awfully cute. Look at that. Nice little heart-shaped bag. At the moment, there's only cat treats in here. Will one of my cats come? I don't know. Amadeus, you want a treat? No, he's laying down. Okay. Yeah. Everything came out well. Everything's looking good. Oh, here comes a kitten. Mozart, you want a treat? You want a treat? You want to say hi? Come on up. Look. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. You might have just seen his ear. But that's one of the few times he hasn't bitten my fingers taking a treat from me. Yeah, everything's good. Everything's fitting well. I think this is the best zipper I've ever put in. I'm so proud of this zipper. It's like invisible, as it's supposed to be. I don't know how I did that. But yeah, I'm all done. I'm gonna go see Barbie in a couple hours, and yeah. Leave a comment if you want. If you want to stick around and watch me try to make more stuff, you can subscribe, because I post every other Saturday, and you know, I try things. Sometimes they work out, sometimes they don't. This time, all in all, success, I'd say. Yeah. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in a couple weeks. Bye.